Hello everyone, welcome to your weather forecast. I am Mr. G back with you once again, still fighting COVID. Now it's just kind of hanging on a little bit. It's not that bad, but it is just kind of hanging around, being very annoying. I think the sore throat is coming back. I thought I was over it, but it looks like it's making a comeback. So it is what it is, but I'm here for you guys. COVID can't keep a brother down, and we're going to keep that weather forecast for you. So let's talk about where we're seeing under our current conditions and under the radar right now. We are seeing some showers, storms across the northeast and into New England up here along the eastern seaboard. A lot of heavy rain and flash flooding has been occurring as we have an atmospheric river now set up over the eastern U.S. and into New England. So we're going to continue to see that heavy rainfall this afternoon. And we also have some showers and thunderstorms across the upper Midwest, across parts of Minnesota and northern Wisconsin and along the border with Canada. There we're seeing some showers and thunderstorms, and some of those storms are severe, and then some storms right here through parts of Missouri as well, an area of showers and thunderstorms. And then along the southern fringes of our eastern storm, we do have some showers and storms here in the southern plains as well. So we are looking at those showers and thunderstorms, and then some more showers and storms out over the Gulf of Mexico and over parts of the Florida Peninsula, where we are seeing some showers and thunderstorms. But meanwhile, over the western United States, from this line here, the Red River westward to the Pacific coast, beautiful weather, very hot across the desert southwest, where we're seeing those triple-digit temperatures, but beautiful across the northwest and the west in general, and dry, cloud-free days for you guys. Here is our current temperatures across America. Very hot across the desert southwest. We're seeing those temperatures in the 100 to 105 degree range at this time. It's still early in the day out toward the west, so it's just only going to get warmer, and we're going to see those highs soar up to 110 degrees or more. Still hot across the state of Texas, where we're seeing those temperatures in the upper 90s, and we're seeing mostly 80s across the central and southern plains. We're seeing 70s, very comfortable temperatures across the Ohio Valley and in the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest as well. It's going to be a little bit cool across parts of the upper Midwest as we're seeing those temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. So very comfortable for folks across the Midwest right now. And in the Northeast, where we're seeing all that rainfall, we are seeing it in temperatures in the 70s right now, and we're seeing those temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s down across the southeastern United States. And then our heat indexes, where we're going to be talking about where we're going to see those heat indexes across the southeast, the Gulf Coast, and in South Texas, and in the desert southwest over 100 degrees. We're seeing those heat indexes right now in the 101 to 109 degrees across parts of Texas, and we're seeing it up to 106 over Louisiana and along the Gulf Coast, and it has a heat index of 105 down in Miami. So we're seeing 103 over Myrtle Beach, South Carolina there. You see that 103. So we're seeing that heat and humidity combined is creating some oppressive heat indexes. Now here's a look at our dew points. There's a lot of humidity in the air out there, especially from parts of the central and southern plains to the Gulf Coast, where we're seeing those dew points in the 70 degree range and near 80 degree dew points almost. So a lot of humidity, a lot of moisture to work with. So we're going to see those showers and thunderstorms down here across the south and in the southeast, and along the mid-Atlantic states and up into New England, where the atmospheric river and the dew points certainly reflect that atmospheric river, as we see those dew points in the 60s throughout the Northeast and into parts of the Great Lakes as well. But as you move over toward the north and west into the northern plains, those dew points will begin to drop off as you head across the high plains of Montana and Wyoming. We see those dew points drop off to the 50 and below. So it gets much more comfortable as you head toward the west and the northwest. But that humidity is going to remain supreme across the southern plains and along the Gulf Coast and into the northeast especially. Here is your forecast for this evening. Beautiful weather across the west. So from LA to Portland and Seattle, we'll have a beautiful weather. 80s down in the south. Those temperatures in the 60s and the lower 70s in the Pacific Northwest. We will see some showers and storms because we do have a front moving through the Midwest and the Central Plains right now. So showers and storms through Missouri, parts of Illinois, and Iowa, as well as through Kansas and Nebraska, could see a severe thunderstorm this afternoon and some storms down along the Gulf Coast and into Florida, the Florida Peninsula this afternoon and evening. And we have our atmospheric river along the northeast. So D.C., New York, Boston, you guys are going to deal with heavy rain showers and flash flooding this evening into New England and up into Canada. So a lot of wet weather across the eastern U.S. as we have that stalled weather system up there across Quebec. So that is going to be the catalyst for a lot of the stormy weather across the eastern United States as we have a very strong Bermuda high out over the Atlantic, and it's a strong high over the northern U.S. as well, the northwestern U.S. and the southwest, and it's kind of holding things in place for now. Here is your forecast for Monday morning. We're going to be seeing those showers and storms start to diminish as our front makes its way closer to the coastline. So we will start to see things dry out across the big cities. Still might see a little bit of rain left over from Maine, parts of northern Vermont and New Hampshire, but everyone else should start to dry out across the eastern United States. We will see those showers and storms from our secondary front moving to the Ohio Valley, and that's going to spread showers and storms from Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, southern Illinois, Missouri, and through parts of Arkansas as well. We can see those showers and storms, but it's going to be very dry across the western United States tomorrow. Beautiful temperatures, beautiful dry day, but very hot across Texas, down through the southwest and over towards the deserts of Southern California. Beautiful across the Pacific Northwest. Very nice across the Pacific Northwest. You guys don't have anything to complain about on the left coast, okay? Mr. G here with your weather forecast. Thank you for watching me, everybody. Have a great day, and I will see you guys all tomorrow. Bye-bye.